Hola, hola! Welcome to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every Friday. Today we'll be talking about Spanish possessive adjectives. This lesson contains learning objectives, success criteria, classroom tasks, and homework. Now, before you proceed any further, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In that way, you will not miss my next video. I also upload videos throughout the week, and these videos can teach you Spanish vocabulary, pronunciation, and also interesting facts about the Spanish language. So click the red button and the bell, in that way you will be notified next time I upload a video. The learning objectives for today are as follows. Students will learn about Spanish possessive adjectives. Students will familiarize themselves with Spanish possessive adjectives. Now, this is very easy, so there's no need for you to worry. Success criteria. Students will be able to recognize and use Spanish possessive adjectives correctly. As I said before, there's no need to panic. This is simpler than what you think, but you may need to set aside 10 minutes and fully concentrate in order to understand and learn to use possessive adjectives correctly. Los adjetivos posesivos. That's right. That's how you say possessive adjectives. Los adjetivos posesivos. Fantástico. Now, let's see some ejemplos in order for you to understand these possessive adjectives. Mi amigo means my friend. But if you say mis amigos, that means my friends, plural. Next ejemplo. Tu amigo means your friend. But if you say tus amigos with the S, that means your friends, plural. Is this making sense? Let's see the next ejemplo. Su amigo means his or her friend, singular. But when you add an S and you say sus amigos, you're actually saying his or her friends, plural. Nuestro amigo means our friend. Nuestros amigos, our friends, plural. If you don't understand, don't panic, as I said. Just make sure you pay attention because I will be showing you some clear examples in the next few minutes. This will only take 10 minutes. It's not long, so if you do make an effort, in the end, you will get the hang of it sooner than what you think. Muy bien. Let's see this ejemplo. Número 1. Esta es mi bicicleta. That's right, you guessed it right. That means this is my bicycle. You can also add more information by adding an additional adjective. You can say, esta es mi bicicleta roja. This is my red bicycle. Excelente. Mi bicicleta roja. In this case, the possessive adjective is mi. Mi means my. Mi bicicleta roja. Mi bicicleta roja. Now, in order to reinforce this, we'll see 4 examples. Los adjetivos posesivos, possessive adjectives. Mi equipo, that means my team. Mi jefe, my boss. Mi automóvil, my car. Mi computador, my computer. Can you say it? Mi equipo. Mi jefe. Mi automóvil. Mi computador. Fantastico, you're getting the hang of it. Mi, my. Now, let's see some additional examples. Ejemplos adicionales. That's right, that means additional examples. So it's time for you to put on your Spanish caps and listen intently. That way you will get the hang of it right away. Número 1. Mi, singular. Esta es mi oficina. This is my office. Esta es mi oficina. Muy bien. Let's see another ejemplo. Número 2. Tú, your, singular. Notice this two doesn't have an accent on top of the U. Este es tu lápiz. This is your pencil. Este es tu lápiz. This is your pencil. Muy bien. Siguiente ejemplo. Next example. Tus, yo, but plural. Estos son tus lápices. These are your pencils. Estos son tus lápices. Tu singular. Tus plural. Número 3. Su, his singular. Él es su papá. He is his father. Él es, he is, su papá. His father. Su papá means his father. Número 4. Su also means her, singular. Ella es su profesora. She is her teacher. Su profesora means his or her teacher. Su, his or her. Número 3. Sus, his, but plural. Estos son sus hermanos. You are talking about two brothers, not one. So it's plural. Sus hermanos. These are his brothers. Número 4. Her. Sus, plural. Ellas son sus hermanas. They are her sisters. Her sisters. Sus hermanas. And we say sus because it's plural. There are two sisters there. Número 5. Su, yo, singular, formal. So if you're talking, let's say, to the principal of your school or the president of your nation, you would say, este es su recibo. This is your receipt. This is a singular formal form of the possessive adjective. Su, yo, plural. Estos son sus recibos. These are your receipts. Sus recibos. Estos son sus recibos. Siguiente, número 6, number 6. Nuestro means our, singular. Este es nuestro amigo Juan. This is our friend John. Este es nuestro amigo. Nuestro means our. Número 6. Nuestra, our, singular, feminine. Esta es nuestra amiga, Teresa. This is our friend Teresa. Esta es nuestra amiga. We say nuestra because we're talking about a female. Número 6. Nuestros, our, plural, masculine. Estos son nuestros amigos, Juan y Roberto. These are our friends, John and Roberto. Now, let's move on to the next example. Siguiente ejemplo. Now, we got two aunties in here. So, número 6, nuestras, our, plural, feminine. Ellas son nuestras tías. They are our aunties. Número 7. Sus, their. All of their friends are coming. Todos sus amigos vienen. Todos sus amigos vienen. All of their friends are coming. Now, there's something very important about possessive adjectives in Spanish. It is very important to remember that the form of the possessive adjective is not determined by the person, but by what is owned. Do not confuse these possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns. We'll talk about that on a different video. For now, try to memorize the possessive adjectives in Spanish. Mi amigo, my friend. Mis amigos, my friends, plural. Tu amigo, your friend. Tus amigos, your friends, plural. Su amigo, his, her friend, singular. Sus amigos, his, her friends, plural. Nuestro amigo, our friend. Nuestros amigos, our friends, plural. Watch the video a couple of times to reinforce. Okay. Ejercicios en clase. Time to do some exercises. Translate the following into Spanish. Feel free to use a dictionary in order to find out vocabulary that you may not be familiar with. Make yourself comfortable, pause the video, and see how you go completing this exercise. If in doubt, you can check the PDF that comes with this video, or if your teacher is a premium member, he can give you a copy. If you don't have a copy of the PDF, simply rewind the video and have a look at the examples before. Muy bien, excelente. Now, look up the following adjetivos and translate them into English. So we'll do it the other way around. Depending on how confident you feel with these exercises, you may want to rewatch the video. Check it out once again and go through the main points in order to memorize all the different possessive adjectives in Spanish. Your teacher may also decide that you may need to work in pairs or in smaller groups, but see if you can also complete these exercises on your own. Fantastico, my dear amigos. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. Please subscribe to my channel. You will find more than 255 lessons in Spanish on my channel. Now, if you are a school teacher and you teach Spanish, you may want to subscribe to my premium membership. For $3 a month, you'll gain access to all the PDF files which you can print for your classroom. $3 Australian, which is like $2 American. Anyway, my dear amigos, have a lovely week. I hope to see you soon and take care. Cuídate. Nos vemos.